Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 13 April 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 1 and name of the chapter is Things Around Us. Things around things around us. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So in the previous video, student, we are doing the book exercises of the chapter 1, that is things around us. Question number A, take the correct answers. First question, that is this is a MCQ question. For one question there are 3 options are given and we have to choose the right option. So this question we have already completed in the book. Then we are doing question number B, right, true or false. So first two question, tree are both living things and natural things. Animals cannot make their own food in their body. So these two questions we have already completed in the book. Now let's start with the third one. Third question is sunflower move in the direction of the sun. So student, when I explained you that one of the characteristics of living thing is that living things move, okay, and when we are talking about the living things, so in living things what are the category, that is plants, animals and human beings. Animal can move from one place to another, you walk, you run in the same manner. Human beings can move from one place to another, okay. So student, you walk, you move, you run in the same manner. Animals can also move from one place to another in search of a food and shelter. They have organs to move from one place to another, but plants cannot move from one place to another like animals and human being, but even they also show the movement. Is it clear? But they also show the movement. For example, sunflower leaves, they move towards the sunlight. ठीक है, जो प्लांट्स की ग्रोथ होती है वो सनलाइट की ओर होती है, ठीक है, सनफ्लावर. सो सनफ्लावर And one more example, I have already explained you about the plant touch me not. If you touch the leaves of that plant, it shrink. So question is, sunflower move in the direction of the sun. Yes, this is true. In this manner, plant also show the movement. In this manner, plants also show the movement. Then question number 4. Question number 4. Plants cannot feel and respond. So student, this is the characteristics of all the living things that they feel. Okay. So plants cannot feel and respond. So this is the false statement, because plants can also feel and a plant grow towards light. Is it clear? And you can also say the roots go down. When we are talking about the two systems of the plants, that is shoot and root, root always moves down and the shoot system is above the ground. Is it clear? So it is given in the question, plants cannot feel and respond. प्लांट्स फील नहीं करते हैं और कोई रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करते हैं. सो दिस इज फॉल्स. Now we have completed the book exercises of the chapter. We have completed the book exercises of the chapter. Now let's start the question answer of the chapter. Short. It is given. Give short answer to the following questions. Now next question is question number C. Give short answers to the following questions. So question number 1, student. First question is, why do living things eat food? Why do living things need things eat food. So when I am explaining you the chapter, we have already discussed this. This is the first characteristics of the living things, that living things need food. What is the reason? All living things need food to live. ठीक है, अगर हमें खाना नहीं मिलेगा तो हम मर जाएंगे, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट व्हेन वी ईट द फूड, फूड गिव अस एनर्जी to perform different types of activity. Okay, and due to eating of the food there is a growth in our body. Okay, and by eating a food, food keep us fit and healthy. Food help us to stay healthy and strong. This I've already explained you in class 3, that we should take a balanced diet. Balanced diet means the diet which contain all the nutrients in a right amount. Nutrient means carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. So these are the nutrients which we are getting by eating different types of food. Is it clear? So food is necessary for us. Without food it is not possible that we will live. So food is, all living things need food to live. Okay, food give us energy to perform different types of activity also. Food help us to grow also, and due to good eating balanced food, or we take by taking balanced diet, we are healthy and strong. So note down the answer. All living things, all living things need food to live. Food provides energy. Food provides energy to the body, and helps it to grow. Food helps to stay healthy and strong. Note down this answer in your classwork copy. This is the first question. Food provides energy to the body, and all living things need food to live. ठीक है, अगर फूड नहीं खाएंगे तो मर जाएंगे. ठीक है, food provides energy to the body and helps to grow. Food helps to stay healthy and strong. how we are healthy and strong? By eating the balanced diet which contain all the nutrients in a right amount, which contain how we will fit and healthy by eating a balanced diet which contain all the nutrients, that is fat, carbohydrate, protein, vitamins and minerals in a right amount. So this is your first answer. Then question number 2, how do plant show movement? Okay, how do plants show movement? Question number 2, how do plants show movement? See student, as we know that plants cannot move from one place to another like we can do, human beings or animals, but even they also respond to the changes in the environment. Okay, they also show the movement. For example, sunflower turns and flow the direction of the sun to grow, and leaves of a plants like touch me not shrink when we touch them. So in this way the plants also show the movement. Is it clear? The plants cannot move from one place to another like we do, human beings and animals, but they also respond to changes in the environment. ठीक है, एनवायरमेंट में जो चेंजेस होते हैं उनके प्लांट्स भी रिस्पॉन्स करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे ग्रो टूवर्ड्स लाइट. Is it clear? Sunflower turn and flow the direction of the sun to grow, and leaves of a, another example is the leaves of a plant known as touch me not. If you touch the leaves of these plants, then it shrink. ठीक है, if we touch the leaf of the plant touch me not, then it shrink. So in this manner plants also show the movement. How do plants show movement? They grow towards light. They grow towards light. Sunflower turn and follow the direction follow the direction of the sun to grow. Leaves of plants like touch me not, shrink when we touch them. They grow towards light. Sunflower turns and follow the direction of the sun to grow. Leaves of plant like touch me not shrink when we touch them. In this way, plants show in this way plants show movement. Is it clear? How do plants show movements? So they grow towards light. Another example, sunflower turn and follow the direction of the sun to grow. Leaves of plants like touch me not shrink when we touch them. In this way, plants show movement. Is it clear? Now, next question is, give detailed answers to the following. Give detailed answer to the following questions. Question number 1. Write the differences between living and non-living things. Write the differences between living and non living things. So first of all we will write about living things and then we will write about non-living things. Is it clear? Living things need food. Is it clear? Living things need food for their growth. Second point, living things breathe. Living things breathe. All you know that all living things breathe, whether it is plant, human beings or animals. Living things grow. Fourth point, living things move. Living things feel. Living things reproduce. Is it clear? So these write the difference between living and non-living thing. Firstly I have written the characteristics of living thing. Now after that we will write about non-living things. So that is the difference between living and non-living things. Okay, living things need food for their growth and living things breathe. All the living things breathe. जितनी भी living things हैं वो क्या करती हैं? Breathe करती हैं. Living things grow. ठीक है, whether it is a plant, whether it is an animal or whether it is a human beings, so they all grow. Then next living things move, whether it is a plant, animal or human beings. All living things show movement. Human beings and animals, they can move from one place to another place. So plants do not show movement in that manner, but they also show the movement because plants grows towards the light. Living things feel. We can feel the pain. We immediately remove our hand if our hand touches to a hot object. So we can feel. Living things reproduce. They give birth to their young ones. Okay, thank you.